whipstone nugget from plants, food for longevity. And today I'm going to be talking about Soursop tea leaves. Soursop tea, and this is the fruit, Soursop, and it has nutrients in both the fruit and also the leaves. This one has been dried, the leaves have been dried and blended to have tea bags. So I've got them in little tea bag pouch like that, which I'm just going to show you how to, just like ordinary tea that we make, but the water should have been boiled and cooled down a little bit, or if you have temperature control kettle, do it between 70 to 80 so it's not too hot. And to make the tea, just take a bag out. It's usually about 1 teaspoon in the bags, and you could have 2 cups made out of that. So usually I use it for 2 people, or I could use one, leave it there and then use it one more time just to get all your money out, because Soursop tea bags are very expensive as well, similar to the fruit. The fruit, like I said, you could have this one between 15 to 25 pounds depending on the size, and the tea bag as well, similar, about 5 pounds per 25 bags. So it's usually very expensive because they are tropical plants and is exported to the UK for those who are in the UK. But if you're in Africa or Caribbean, you know, lucky you, you can have your Soursop and drink as much tea as you like. So the tree has the fruit that is beneficial. It's claimed to have anti-cancer properties, is good for anti-inflammatory, it has vitamin C, so it's good for the system, for the nerve system, but too much of it also can affect the nerves. People with Parkinson's disease are to stay off this kind of drink. So it has benefits, but at the same time there are some side effects. This is why we have to balance whatever we eat and use them in moderation. This is superfood, herbs for the body. It prevents illnesses and it heals the body as well. It's good for blood pressure. People have claimed that it reduces their blood pressure. It is also good for relaxation. If you have anxiety, stress, this is a drink, this is a tea that you can have similar to chamomile tea. So how do you make Soursop tea? If you have the tea leaves, you could drop it into hot water and leave it to seep through into your water for about 5 minutes. And if you already have it packed, ground and packed in tea bags like this, just drop it into a mug and then pour water that is not too hot, boil and leave to settle, and just leave it for about 2-3 minutes. So once it's seeped through, you stir it with a little teaspoon. You can take out the tea bag if you prefer, or leave it in. Sometimes I leave it in because I can still have 1 more cup out of that. So just drink it nice and warm. You can have this once or twice daily. I recommend just once daily, and then maybe have other teas like green tea. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Until then, keep on staying healthy and keep on fighting for long life. Goodbye.